For those of you with chronic pain, it must be challenging to even imagine an existence without pain, but it's coming. For those of you who have experienced a lot of loss, it must be challenging to even imagine a world that doesn't include death, but it's coming. For those of you who feel down, like a lot, discouraged, depressed, it must be challenging to even picture an existence that doesn't include grief and tears and sadness and mourning, but it's coming. In Genesis 3, we see sorrow and pain begin. In Revelation 21, we see sorrow, tears, and pain end. In Genesis 3, we see death enter history. In Revelation 21, death exits history.